Hey everyone! So in light of this, the Apple Watch 8 may include a fast processor and improved activity monitoring functions such as sleep tracking that can identify advanced sleep patterns as well as routines. We are all aware that on September 7, Apple will unveil 4 new iPhone 14 models. At the event, 3 new Apple Watches, the Watch 8, a budget Southeast model and even a new Extreme Edition will be unveiled along with the AirPods Pro 2. The Watch 8 may be released in 3 different sizes, dial sizes of 41mm, 45mm and 50mm, but it has not yet been proven whether Apple will offer all 3. The smartwatch may contain an inbuilt sensor to measure body temperature, which is supposed to be provided with an accurate reading like a thermometer, but it will nevertheless notify you if you have a fever. A fast processor and improved activity monitoring capabilities such as sleep tracking that may identify advanced sleep patterns and routines may potentially be included in the Apple Watch 8. The upcoming smartwatch is anticipated to look very different from its predecessor and will have front flat glass design with very few curves than before. This would help with the consistency as the Apple Watch will look very similar to the iPhone. Both the displays and the sides will be flat, but one part of the watch will remain unchanged, that is the bottom part. It will continue to be slightly curved for maximum performance as it touches your arm and has all the sensors. According to Mark Gurman of Bloomberg, the high-end model of the Apple Watch Series 8 won't be circular and in counter of rumors of a square-off design won't have the suspected flat edges. Instead, the gadget will have the first change since the release of the Apple Watch Series 4 in 2008. The new models is more expensive than most variants in the current lineup, so those upgrades won't be free. The next Apple Watch will most likely replace the Apple Watch Edition as the highest price model in the range and reside at the top end of the Apple Watch lineup. Knowing what you know now, I want to know how much you would be willing to pay for the Apple Watch Pro. Let me know in the comments below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.